A lot of our estate planning clients come in and tell us their number one concern is wanting to avoid probate. A lot of people have a misconception about what probate is, and we try to explain to our clients that probate is the process of clearing title to all your assets through the court. The reason we advise people to avoid it, it is costly, slow, and it actually also extends the grieving process, because if you're the executor of someone's estate, you have got to be in charge of finding all the assets and marshaling those assets through the estate process, through the probate process. So some handy tools that we advise people to use to avoid probate are, first of all, for your real estate, for your primary residence. We recommend in a lot of cases to use a ladybird deed. A ladybird deed will pass title to property immediately upon your death to the beneficiaries, to the person that you choose. Again, passes completely outside of probate and then would not be subject to any creditor claims within your estate. So protecting your real property is a very important one. Another very simple way to avoid probate, and this is not even something that we need to help you with, but that you can do yourself, is designating payable on death beneficiaries on all of your financial accounts. So any accounts you have, whether it's a average checking savings account, or if these are your IRA retirement funds, you have the option to set a payable on death beneficiary. Again, if you have those beneficiaries designated, those accounts and the assets within those accounts will immediately pass to your named beneficiaries outside of probate. Once again, your creditors will not be able to get access to any of those funds, as they will become the property of the beneficiary immediately upon your death. North Carolina is what we call a limited recovery state, which means that creditor claims can only go against your probatable estate. So the more assets you keep out of probate, the less chances your creditors have to come in and seize assets in your estate. Another device that we use to avoid probate is setting up a trust. Again, the trust is a private document where you can decide what you want to happen to your assets. Every trust that we draft comes with a will that's called a pour-over will. So as you're setting up your trust, we advise you to fund your trust and title your assets into the name of the trust. But if you forget to do that, or if you inherit property or have other property come into your possession and ownership and control at the end of your life, this pour-over will says everything I didn't already put in my trust, put it in there now. And so then again, your trust is outside the probate estate and protects your assets. So if you're interested in avoiding probate, please give us a call at McIntyre Elder Law and we'd be happy to help.
Please don't wait.